What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Kid Naruto. Haven't drawn Kid Naruto in ages. So let's draw this. Landscape, page, pencil, eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So I'm going to start with the line for his headband. Sometimes I find it easier to start with that. So I'm just going to curve this across. And this kind of like goes across his eyebrows and stuff. This is like basically the size for his head, right? So it curves here. And just his sideburns, just like little V's here. His eyes are just in there. So we curve over, down. In Naruto, they add that little spike there. And sometimes the eyelash lines are kind of darker black than the other ones. So they're kind of a bit heavier. Bit of a heavier line. Then we go down, add the bottom eyelid. He kind of has like bigger eyes when he's a kid, you know. Then big circles inside. Blue. And then blue pupil in there. And then this one he actually does, Kishimoto does little sort of lines that come around there. But it's optional, you don't have to do that. Then frowning eyebrow is coming up underneath his headband. And we'll give him an eyelid line. There isn't one coming up this way, but there usually is in the anime and stuff, so we'll just do that maybe. And then the yellow part of his eyebrow there. Go over and do same on the other side. You're about eye width over, width of an eye easily. So like from here over to there. You can fit an eye in between his two eyes basically. And then we add the spike. Darken it up a bit. Bottom eyelid, down and across. And then that big blue iris. There. And pupil in the middle. Go for pupils that are about the same size. And he does these little lines that come around just there. Frowning eyebrow, just a check mark going up underneath the headband. And then the yellow section that you can color, just do another line there. And he does, this could be like his nose line really. And maybe like a bit of an eyelid line. So like that's kind of like his eyelid line, but it's like his nose as well. Bit of a frown sort of going on as well on him here. He's smiling, but it's that like, you know, cross sort of Naruto smile. Or we just go down for his nose and we'll add a nostril and another on the other side. And he's got that large confident smile, right? So it's like underneath, starts kind of here, underneath the inside of his blue eyes. Right, kind of like in there. And then we just kind of go down and then it kind of goes flat. Just kind of flat across into there. And then his chin. like so. And then from here we go up to the sideburns. So kind of just, there's a bit of a gap for his ear, so it kind of starts like there. So the jaw will just come down into the chin. Just there. And then we have those cheek lines. Three of them on each cheek. And then his ears just in here. And then some ear lines like that. So like a letter J is a good way to sort of start off, that kind of thing. And then you can add more if you wanted. Right, so just up here, we can see some hair spikes. Just there above his headband. And then the headband comes in around here. And then across the middle. And then we have the metal plate, so it's kind of like curved on the edges. And then join those together, following the headband shape. Then we bring that across the top. And they usually have a sort of a 3D edge line kind of just coming across here. And then there is metal studs holding it on. And then we have the leaf spiral. So you could do this with 2 lines or 1. I'd say 1 is easier, so I'll do it that way. So we'll just do our spiral. And then you just give it a little flick, like a tail there. And then it has like a beak, kind of like a bird, pointing that way. So we do the rest of his hair. So big spiky Naruto hair. So we just, it's that classic early Naruto. Never really changes, but all right, so we'll move down to his neck and his collar. So very thin neck because he's young. There's like some necklines here. And then we see some sort of yellow spiky hair that kind of goes behind his neck, just down that way. And then this white collar of his, so kind of like starts kind of like normal sort of there. But then it gets real bumpy, right? So it starts to come around from his ear, say, starts to bump around. And then it goes long. So bump, 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 bump. And then it just like comes down. And then the front of it comes around his neck here. So we bump a couple of times, and there is some like textures on this. So we'll bump it around first anyway. And like here he has an orange section, so it's kind of two bigger bumps, and then a zipper down the middle. So this just comes down. Kind of like that. Just like two bigger bumps. And then the white bumps finish out to here then. And then there's some lines and some textures on these. So at the bumps, like, you know, each of these wants to like curve over a bit. And you might have some like in here. You know, like just each of these. Just wants to go up a little bit. Right, and then we just do his shoulders. Two of them just gone down that way, very narrow because he's a kid. And then the zipper keeps going with the orange patch down there. And just for the zipper, you know, you just do this kind of zigzag. Like the zipper thing there. And that's it. That's our boy, the OG Uzumaki Naruto. Kid Naruto. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.